So back on the old CJ today, and we're looking at the rear end, got the tires up in the air, and got them loose so I can spin it up and look at the spider gears to see how bad they are, see if it has hurt anything else, see if it hurt the ring or pinion gear, and if not, we'll see what to do there. But let's take a look at that rear end and see how she is. Okay, let's look at these spider gears. So that 1, 2. Yeah, so this looks like 2, 3, 2 or 3. 1, 2. Yeah, the bottom ones are worn. Yeah, that 1, 2, 3 right there. So that's it for this one. We'll see you on the next one.